Today I'm showing you how to get TradingView Premium for free using their 30-day trial. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your PC or laptop. Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari all work fine. Click on the search bar and type TradingView. Hit Enter to search. Click on the first link in the search results. This should be the official TradingView website at tradingview.com. Once you're on the TradingView homepage, look for the Get Started for Free or just Get Started button. This is usually displayed prominently on the page. Click on it. You'll be taken to a page with different account options. Don't sign up for the basic free version yet. Instead, search the page until you see the premium plan options. Look for the Premium or Pro plan. You'll see a button that says Try Free for 30 days or Start Free Trial. Click on this button. You'll be prompted to either sign in with an existing account or create a new account. You can sign up using your email, Google account, or other options. Complete the registration process. Once you've signed up, you'll have full access to TradingView Premium features for 30 days completely free. No credit card required up front in most cases. Important note. Remember to cancel before the 30-day trial ends if you don't want to be charged for the premium subscription. And that's it. You now have TradingView Premium free for 30 days.